Chapter 2, Things Change. Albert's in the 11th grade. He's only a year younger than Bernice. He's good in science and math. He doesn't like English or history too much. He says lunch is his favorite class. He does his research, though. During study hall, which is held in the library, he started to look up what it would take to truly be a mosquito slayer. He envisioned himself with goggles and a tank on his back, like one of the Ghostbusters from the movie. He also saw himself as a sprayed mosquito and went through the motions of a dying bug, like in so many Raid commercials he had seen on TV. "Raid!" he yelled, while going through his best routine of a dying bug. "Shh," the woman at the desk said. "This is a library." His buddies laughed, and Albert went back to his research. Since he was only 16 and didn't have a lot of cash to start a business, he was looking for free ways to get started. He was looking for things that he could do to get rid of the neighborhood's pesky mosquito varmints. Albert thought about Mrs. Brown's house. She liked a lot of fresh air. She left the windows up most of the time. The thing was, she had no screens in her windows. He could offer to put screens all around her house. He would only charge her the real cost of the parts and some reasonable labor fee that they could both agree upon. Mrs. Brown's last son had joined the Navy. He wasn't there anymore to help her. Albert used the internet to search for answers about how to slay mosquitoes on a very, very low budget. He learned a lot while scanning the variety of headings for his topic. Finally, he hit on one idea that he could afford right away. Albert had discovered that standing water gives mosquitoes a place to breed. By getting rid of old tires and stored junk in backyards, he could help reduce his neighborhood's mosquito population. One neighbor was definitely a hoarder. His backyard was an interesting mix of tires, old electronics, and piles of things that just might come in handy one day, according to Mr. Jones. Albert decided to start there with Mr. Jones. The school bell rang. Albert's study hall period was over. He was heading to a meeting with his school counselor, Mr. Dobbins. Mr. Dobbins was his favorite teacher. He taught the science class that year. Today's meeting was to talk about summer plans. Did he have things to tell Mr. D?